Tired of ruining surprises by accidentally posting spoiler images in your Discord chats? I get it. One wrong tap and suddenly you've ruined the big plot twist for your entire server. But there is a super simple fix, and it literally takes seconds. I'll show you the exact steps. Upload your image, open the options, check the spoiler box, and send it safely. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Discord channel where you want to share your image. It could be the general chat, your private group for friends, or a specific thread. Doesn't matter. The process is the same. Now, look at the chat box at the bottom of your screen. See that little plus symbol? The plus sign? Tap that. This opens up your phone's photo gallery. Go ahead and select the picture you want to share. Maybe it's a screenshot from that new movie you just watched, or a sneak peek at your character's final form in a game. Tap it, and it'll get attached to your message. All right, here's the most important part. So don't tap send yet. Do not hit that blue send arrow. If you send it now, it's going to show up loud and clear for everyone to see. What you need to do instead is tap on the actual photo thumbnail that's sitting in the chat box. Just tap it once. This opens a preview screen where you can see the full image. And down at the bottom of this screen, you'll see a row of options. Now, pay attention to this part. In that row of options, you're looking for a checkbox or toggle that says Mark as Spoiler. On mobile, it's usually sitting between the Remix option and the Remove File option. Just tap that checkbox. You'll see the image get a little blurry or get that classic spoiler tag applied to it. That's your visual confirmation that it's safe. And here's the thing. Once you check that box, you are golden. Now that the spoiler tag is applied, swipe down or tap the close button to go back to the main chat window. You can add a caption if you want, maybe a fun message or a warning, like, "Don't click if you haven't watched episode 10 yet." That's optional though. Then, finally, tap the send button. The image will go out into the chat, but now it's hidden behind that spoiler blur. Your friends have to actively tap on it to see what's underneath. You've just saved everyone from a major spoiler. You are officially the considerate community member. That's really all there is to it. From AI mastery, I hope this little trick keeps your conversations fun and spoiler-free. If this helped, we've got plenty more quick guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.